Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. September 1, 2020 was Tuesday. What day will be there on September 1, 2024? Now we have September 1, 2020, and this is leap year. But leap day is already gone, is 29th of February. So the extra day in leap year is already considered before September 2020. So on September 1, 2021, we'll have this September 1, 2020 was Tuesday. So we consider 365 days till September 1, 2021, and thus that will be Wednesday. One day is always taken after the previous date. So same date next year, one next day is taken. So Wednesday will be on September 2021. Similarly, on September 1, 2022, we'll have Thursday. Same date next year, one day will be taken ahead. So September 1, 2023 will be Friday. Now September 1, 2024. Now this is again leap year. This is again leap year. And leap day, that is 29th of February, is considered here. Leap day is before September 1. So one day will be considered extra here. So instead of Saturday here, we'll have to consider one more day later, that is Sunday. So on September 1, 2024, there will be Sunday. So answer is option D, Sunday.